guys, we're doing this. So for those who don't know, I put out a tweet saying that if Conor McGregor loses against Khabib, I will have to eat 100 wings and drink a glass of vinegar. So, yeah. Conor lost, unfortunately, and I have to do this. And a promise is a promise, because if I don't do this, you guys will probably kill me. I think this is over 100 wings. I don't think this is actually 100 wings. I think this is over 100 or something like that. Either way, I'm gonna eat everything. I'm gonna drink vinegar. I'm doing this. I never thought I'd do a challenge again, but I'm doing one. All right, so without further ado, let's just do it. Let's begin. Do you know the trick to eating wings? You just do this. You get the little bone out. Get the little bone out. You just spin that out like that. All right, and then you have the big bone. Right. Twist the little. You just twist that out like so, and then like that. That's one. Easy. See that? And people say I'm gonna fail this challenge. Look at that, see? This is the trick to just getting all the meat, Ah, vegans are jealous right now. You know what? If this video gets over 100,000 likes, I'm gonna do a challenge where I go vegan. I'll do that challenge. No meat, nothing. To people who know me, they know I love meat. They know I love meat. So I'll actually do a challenge if this video gets, 101,000 likes. Then I'll do a challenge where I go vegan. I know you guys are waiting for me to do the vinegar. That's the one I'm dreading the most. When I'm thirsty, alright? When I'm thirsty. Alright, I'm thirsty now. Oh, here we go. So as you guys can see, brand new, distilled. I bought this today. Brand new. I said a glass. I didn't say the whole bottle. I said a glass. I'm pretty sure this is a glass, alright? This is a glass of vinegar. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't want to do this, man. Conor! Why'd you have to lose, man? I was so sure he was going to win. I'm not joking you. Oh my god. Alright, screw it. Okay. I'm going to be a pussy. Oh, God, that hurts. Oh, God. All right. No cuts, so you guys don't say fake. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. 3, 2, 1. I'm dying. Holy f*** me. Oh my god, I'm actually crying. Oh my god. I'm actually crying from that. Jesus. Oh my god. Yo, I downed that shit. It's so fast. That was stupid. I shouldn't have downed that. Oh god, oh my god, I've lost taste buds. I can't taste anything. It just hurts. Every time I swallow, it hurts. Holy. Alright, let's go back to eating wings. Oh, I finished it. I downed the whole thing, bro. I downed the whole thing. This guy said I'll only eat 5 wings. Well, I ate 6 now. And what? sorry for my toilet. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. So I weigh 81 kg. It's about maybe 180 pounds or so. By the end of this, I'm going to be at least 200 pounds. That's crazy.
2 hours later.
I've got a fight coming up, I think. I look at my belly. Look at that, mate. I'm just like I'm pregnant. Look at that, mate. Jesus Christ. I've lost my 6-pack.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No.
Oh, God, this is hard. So how long have you been recording for?
About 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Yeah. 40 minutes and I've only just nearly finished one plate. Oh my. Guys, I forfeit. I forfeit. You know what? I'm blaming it on the vinegar. I forfeit. I'm out. Yeah, guys, I forfeit. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you actually want me to do the vegan challenge, 101k likes. I'm done. I need to do a poo. I'm done. Alright.
Yeah. What? Said she wanna rock with a nigga like me. I'm a stylish guy. Spend a little guap with a nigga like me. We can catch a fly. Said she wanna rock with a nigga like me. She wanna. I'm a stylish guy. Spend a little guap with a nigga like me.